Hi, this is Purnima Devi from SNSCT. Now I discuss in this last class I discuss about what is data visualization and what is data analytics in this process. Now I discuss about what is the importance of data visualization. The first thing is understanding of complex data. The large and complex data sets can be challenging to understand to the particular audience or some other persons. So data visualization, which is used to helps the break down the complex information into simpler. So the visualization format is very easy to understand. Either child or some peoples are non-technical, either technical, all has to be understand based on the graphical representation which we are represented. So the visual format is making it easier for the audience to grasp what we are going to set for the particular organization. For example, the sales data is visualized using a heat map on Tableau states that is shuffled and net loss or colored red. So the visual make it instantly obvious to state the underperforming categories. So we will show some different colors which part we have to be lack in that particular period of the organizations is has to be represented. So this first thing is data visualization, which is used which is simplifies the complex data what we are gathered about the organization. And next one is that enhances the data interpretation. It highlights the patterns, trends and correlations in data that might be missed in a raw data form. This enhanced interpretation that helps in making informed decisions. It will consider another Tableau visualization that demonstrate the relationship between the sales and profit. So it enhances the interpretation which we are gathered. It highlights the pattern, trends and correlation what we are collected in the raw data. So it might shows the higher sales do not necessarily equate the higher profits. This trend that would be difficult to find from the raw data alone. So this helps the business adjacent strategies which is collected from the data. So the next one is data visualization, which is used to saves the time. It is definitely faster to gather some insights from the data using the data visualization that just studying a chart. In this process we use the Tableau tool for visualizing the data. So why we are using the Tableau tool is they can collect the sample data from the historical processes. So we can just drag and drop the data or rows and columns what information we will shows to the particular audience. We just simply we can drag and drop. It is mainly used for visualizing the data as only. So that's why we are using Tableau tools. So it is very easy to identify the states that have suffered a net loss rather than the profit. So we can easily segregate the profit and loss using this tool. So these cells can be loss or colored using red. So if can be that a loss can be represented in a red color, that profit can be is represented as a green color. That we just track and drop the rows and columns. We can choose which type of graphical representation, either bar chart, pie chart or some other things which we select in that particular process. Is it will visualize the data formats and it improve the communication. So visual representation of data make it easier to share finding with others, especially so who may not the technical background. uh, Also they understand the information which we are represented in a graphical format. So the data will be in either a rows and columns format or either notepad format. The particular persons cannot understand what information they are need to set to the particular audience, but the information can be in a visualization format. The particular audience, the audience can be either a children's or some other persons, either technical, non-technical or some of the people can be attended the particular presentation. So even a person is a non-technical related, so they can easily understand what they want to set from that information what they are collected. So this is the important in business where the stakeholder need to understand the data uh, quickly. So this is mainly used for the business processes, so they can easily improvise the process which can be set in this representation format.